Today is a very exciting day for our school community as we open our Verizon Innovative Learning Lab, a space that will spark creativity, innovation, and endless possibilities for our students.
Well, I am very excited that now our lab is finally opened and everyone will get to experience it.
It's exciting because I get to try new stuff, and this right here is fun to me, so yeah.
This is our RMS. It's our logo. It stands for Ramsey Middle School, and we're printing it on here.
This lab is a game changer, directly connecting to our Explore pathways as the dedicated innovation hub for our engineering and design pathways for grades 6 through 8. Our goal is for every student to have access and benefit from this technology, ensuring that innovation and opportunity are within reach for all.
It's very exciting, to discover new things. You can create, you can drive robot, you can create things printing. There's a website called Thinkercade. You can print anything you want.
Thank you to Verizon, ASU, and Heart of America for making this extraordinary opportunity a reality for students at Ramsey Middle School.
You can scan it and then look at in VR, test it, and then it will show you to zoom in more closer if you want to see it closer.
The thing I love about transformations is it provides a space for you to be inspired, for you to be happy, and for you to want to learn.
When I look around this room, I see more than just 3D printers, workstations, and robotics kits. I see hundreds of opportunities for students to move from consuming information to creating it.
Because we're using that, we just connect that right there.
In these new labs, students go beyond reading textbooks. They are challenged to solve real-world problems through theme-based units.
With this lab, we're not just providing access to tools, we're empowering our students to imagine, design, and create their futures.